We are here to present the song Sri Ramachandra Kripalu, which is a poem composed by Kavi Tulsidas that narrates the story of Mata Sita speaking to the Asura Vibhishana about her beloved Sri Rama. Vibhishana wishes to join Sri Rama against his evil brother Ravana. However, he is apprehensive that Rama may not accept him because of who he is. Mata Sita assures him that Sri Rama is infinitely compassionate and will accept Vibhishana if he is sincere.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam Navakanjalochana Kanja Mukakara Kanja Pada Kanjarunam Navakanjalochana Kanja Mukakara Kanja Pada Kanjarunam Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Kandarpa Aganita Amita Chavinava Nila Sundaram Kandarpa Aganita Amita Chavinava Nila Sundaram Patapita Manavu Tadita Ruchi Suchi Naumi Janaka Sutavaram Patapita Manavu Tadita Ruchi Suchi Naumi Janaka Sutavaram Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Bhajadina Bandhu Dinesha Danava Daitya Vamshani Kandanam Raghunanda Ananda Kanda Kausala Chanda Dasharatha Nandanam Bhajadina Bandhu Dinesha Danava Daitya Vamshani Kandanam Raghunanda Ananda Kanda Kaushala Chanda Dasharatha Nandanam Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Stira Mukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Udara Anga Vibhushanam Stira Mukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Udara Anga Vibhushanam Ajanu सहजमन हरण भव भयदारुणं नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणं श्रीराम